Hi guys, my name is Euan McLennan. I'm the Herbal and Sustainability Director at Pukka Herbs. At Pukka, we rely on pollinator-friendly plants to make all of our marvellous teas. And that's why we're partnering with the Natural History Museum to celebrate nature and the importance of biodiversity to us. And today we're going to use one of our organic, pollinator-friendly ingredients, mint, to make a fantastic mocktail for you and the whole family. Okay, so let's have a look at the ingredients we need for our delicious mocktail. So here I have, importantly, some garden mint, nice and fresh. Then we will also need some summer fruits. So I have here strawberries, I have blueberries, I have some nectarines, some peaches, all mixed up together because this is going to give the colour but also some of the flavour to your drink as it infuses. I also have some ice as well to cool it down. This have some 3 mint Pukka tea. That needs to be infused for about 15 minutes and then you pop it into the fridge, leave it for an hour or so to go nice and cold so that you can add that to your drink to give the base of the flavour. And then very importantly as well, to add some sharpness, some zest to it, I have some freshly squeezed lime juice here, and I also have some organic brown sugar, which is going to add a lovely touch of sweetness to it as well. So how we start this off is we're going to muddle our base ingredients together at the bottom of the glass. Take 1 sprig of mint, and then I need you to take your lime juice, and here we're going to use about the juice of 1 lime to make 1 glass of cocktail. And then finally, we're going to add our organic brown sugar. So with those 3 ingredients at the base of the glass, what I need you to do now is muddle or mix those ingredients at the bottom of the glass. Okay, so once you've done that, you've got the base for your cocktail, and the next thing you're going to do is give somebody a gift. So you want this to look beautiful as well as tasting good. So how I'm going to do this, I'm going to layer my ice and my fruit. And you now have a beautifully layered and colourful cocktail, and your next stage is you need to add in your mint tea. And you've got one finishing touch now. This is about the craftsmanship and making your herbal creation look as beautiful as it can. So take a sprig of your fresh mint. I want you to gently push that down to the side of your glass just so it's popping over the top as a little garnish or bouquet at the top of your mocktail, and there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed making mocktails with us, and to learn more about Pukka and how organic farming really does help biodiversity, please visit our website. Thank you.